Hi guys, I am here to do another unboxing. I'm doing an unboxing of The Witch's Moon. So let's get down into it. This is the beginning of the box. So on top we got the information packet, which I'll look at the end, and our oracle or tarot reading for the month, which I do not share these, but there's the back of the card because these are personalized for the person who's getting the box. So there's that. And then we've got a sigil. Dim this a little. See if that helps. Little sigil artwork. So we got a little sigil. I'm going to turn the light off for a minute because that way you can see the artwork, because it's going to glare otherwise. We got this pretty artwork. Flower Moon is what that is. April guides. April. I can't read that, but I can read the April on it. Down here it says April. And then we got this one, which is I'm not sure. I'm going to have to read the paper to know what this one says. But we got this one. So that is the artwork for this box. There is a lot going on in this box. Okay, I'm going to show you again. I'm going to turn the light back on now. Sorry about that. And there is the box with the artwork out of it. So, on top we got the incense, which is lemongrass. That smells really good. And that's what they look like. They got a yellow tip this time. There's a total of 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the bag. That's not bad. Then we got lemongrass herb. Golden Radiance. Ritual. It's the tea of the month. Ritual tea. It smells like mango to me. That's what it looks like in the bag. It smells really peaceful. It smells like mango though. Then we got a white sage bundle, Or at least it looks like white sage, so I'm assuming that's what that is. Whoa. And this one is flaky, so it's getting everywhere. The white sages. Like, literally, it just fell off onto the papers and everything. Then we got orange peel. So we have orange peel. That's what it looks like in the bag. Smells like oranges. It smells very citrusy. I didn't smell the lemongrass. It smells like lemons. I didn't know lemongrass smelled so much like lemons. But maybe that's why they called it lemongrass. That's what it looked like. Sorry, I didn't show the details the first time. And now I'm working on getting into this bubble wrap. And it's a stone of some sort. It's an orangish yellowish stone. It looks kind of fragile. That's probably why it's in the bubble wrap. But that's what was in this bubble wrap. And then we got our bath salts. Guest of change. Guess of change. I don't know how to explain that. I don't know how to explain that smell, but it smells really good. There's flowery pieces in here. It almost smells of mint, but I don't know for sure. So there's that. Then we have this that's in bubble wrap. There is no name on this, but it's got pretty artwork on the front. Trying to dim some of the light so you can see the pretty artwork. My light's too bright. But it's got a man blowing wind out of his mouth. Looks like clouds. And then we got a mister for it. So that's what was in this bubble wrap. I'll probably get more detail when I look in the pamphlet on that. And then we got the mesh bag for the tea. And then I'm assuming this one's going to be the candle for the month. So we put it in a brown paper bag and then wrapped it up. And yes, it is the candle for the month. It is yellow. A very vibrant yellow. And then I think, let me double check. Yep, this is the last thing that's in the bag. in the box, sorry. This is the last thing in the box. Okay. Ooh. So this is going to be really long. Okay. I can't get this detangled right this second. I'm trying. To detangle it here. Ah, there it goes. Okay, so this is really long and big and it's really pretty. It is this wind chime, and I'm gonna have to stand up to do this justice. It is this really pretty long wind chime. And even me standing up ain't gonna do it justice. With at the end of the wind chime, they have it wrapped. They have this really pretty stone. It's like a pinkish white colored stone at the very bottom of it. Right there. Yep. So that is everything that was in the box. Let's go over the list just to make sure we got everything. I'm going to just sit this down beside me. So that's going to be a mess. It's going to get retangled. Okay. So the list. Handmade Goddess and Crescent Moon Wind Chime. Yes, that's what we were just looking at. Element of Wind Book of Shadow artwork. Okay, that's this one. That would be this one. So we got that. Golden Radiance Ritual Herbal Tea and bag. So it's talking about the tea, which is very shiny, and the bag. Yellow Bracent stone. It's right there, and I'm having trouble reading that middle word right there. But the stone yes, it was, like I said, a yellowish orange color. It's in the bubble wrap. So got that. Orange peel, yes. Lemongrass herb, yes. Wind of Guidance Ritual Aura Spray. So that's what this was. It was Wind of Guidance Ritual Aura Spray. Guest of Change. Celebration Sacred Salt. So this here we did get. Lemongrass Ritual Incense Sticks. We got those. Couple and Blue Sage bundle. Oh, so it's Blue Sage. That's what this is. It's Blue Sage. It's couple and Blue Sage bundle. I'm reading the word wrong, I'm sure, but there's the word right there. And we got that. Hand rolled flower moon spell candle. So the candle we got. Flower moon April Sabbath and full moon book of shadow artwork. So this book of shadow artwork. Seeds of Aspiration Sigil book of shadow artwork. So I'm assuming that's this here. Personalized oracle reading, which is, like I said, I don't show these because they're personalized for the person that's getting the box. And parchment paper, which is always included behind the list. So we got everything that's in this box. I really like this box. Let me know what you guys thought of this box in the comments down below. And I think that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If so, give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys next time. Have a magical and wonderful day. Bye, guys.